Can we watch a movie tonight? Can we watch a movie tonight?
Yes, that's a good idea. Yes, that's a good idea.
Could you turn the music down? Could you turn the music down?
Yes, I'll lower the volume. Yes, I'll lower the volume.
Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount?
No me discounts today. No me discounts today.
Could he fix the car? Could he fix the car?
No, he couldn't. No, he couldn't.
Can you give me your email? Can you give me your email?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Could I have another cup of tea? Could I have another cup of tea?
Yes, I'll bring it for you. Yes, I'll bring it for you.
Can she run fast? Can she run fast?
Yes, she can. Yes, she can.
Could you bring me a pen? Could you bring me a pen?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
Can I take a day off tomorrow? Can I take a day off tomorrow?
Let me check the schedule. Let me check the schedule.
Could we meet earlier? Could we meet earlier?
Yes, how about 9 a.m.? Yes, how about 9 a.m.?
Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone?
Sorry, I need it now. Sorry, I need it now.
Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly?
Sure, I will. Sure, I will.
Can we order pizza for dinner? Can we order pizza for dinner?
Yes, that sounds good. Yes, that sounds good.
Could he play the piano as a child? Could he play the piano as a child?
Yes, he could. Yes, he could.
Can you drive? Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive.
Could I ask you a question? Could I ask you a question?
Of course, go ahead. Of course, go ahead.
Can she finish the project on time? Can she finish the project on time?
Yes, she can. Yes, she can.
Could you help me find my keys? Could you help me find my keys?
Sure. Let's look for them. Sure. Let's look for them.
Can I take a picture? Can I take a picture?
Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Could we take a break now? Could we take a break now?
Yes, let's rest for a while. Yes, let's rest for a while.
Can I have some more rice? Can I have some more rice?
Yes, take as much as you want. Yes, take as much as you want.
Could you carry this bag for me? Could you carry this bag for me?
Sure, I'd be happy to. Sure, I'd be happy to.
Can we play football in the park? Can we play football in the park?
Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go.
Could I visit you next weekend? Could I visit you next weekend?
Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great.
Can she help us with the project? Can she help us with the project?
Yes, she can. Yes, she can.
Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
Yes, here it is again. Yes, here it is again.
Can I bring my friend to the party? Can I bring my friend to the party?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Could they find the hotel easily? Could they find the hotel easily?
No, they got lost. No, they got lost.
Can you call me back later? Can you call me back later?
Sure, I will. Sure, I will.
Could I join your team? Could I join your team?
Yes, we'd love to have you. Yes, we'd love to have you.
Can she sing well? Can she sing well?
Yes, she has a beautiful voice. Yes, she has a beautiful voice.
Could you tell me your name? Could you tell me your name?
Yes, my name is John. Yes, my name is John.
Can you see that bird? Can you see that bird?
Yes, it's very beautiful. Yes, it's very beautiful.
Could we have dinner at that restaurant? Could we have dinner at that restaurant?
Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go.
Can I get a taxi from here? Can I get a taxi from here?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Could she hear the music from outside? Could she hear the music from outside?
No, it was too low. No, it was too low.
Can I visit your office? Can I visit your office?
Yes, anytime. Yes, anytime.
Could you pick me up at 6 p.m.? Could you pick me up at 6 p.m.?
Yes, I'll be there. Yes, I'll be there.
Can I go to the library now? Can I go to the library now?
Yes, but come back soon. Yes, but come back soon.
Could he reach the top shelf? Could he reach the top shelf?
No, it was too high. No, it was too high.
Can we go shopping this weekend? Can we go shopping this weekend?
Yes, let's plan it. Yes, let's plan it.
Could you close the door? Could you close the door?
Sure, I'll do it now. Sure, I'll do it now.
Can I have some water? Can I have some water?
Yes, here you go. Yes, here you go.
Could you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time?
Yes, it's 4 p.m. Yes, it's 4 p.m.
Can he come to the party? Can he come to the party?
No, he's busy. No, he's busy.
Could I see the menu? Could I see the menu?
Of course, here it is. Of course, here it is.
Can you lift this box? Can you lift this box?
No, it's too heavy. No, it's too heavy.
Could we go to the beach tomorrow? Could we go to the beach tomorrow?
It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather.
Can I try this on? Can I try this on?
Yes, the trial room is over there. Yes, the trial room is over there.
Could she speak English when she was 5? Could she speak English when she was 5?
No, she learned later. No, she learned later.
Can you help me with this box? Can you help me with this box?
Sure I can. Sure I can.
Could you pass me the salt? Could you pass me the salt?
Yes, here you go. Yes, here you go.
Can I borrow your notebook? Can I borrow your notebook?
Yes, but return it soon. Yes, but return it soon.
Could we go to the park later? Could we go to the park later?
Maybe if the weather is good. Maybe if the weather is good.
Can she dance well? Can she dance well?
Yes, she can. Yes, she can.
Could I leave work early today? Could I leave work early today?
Let me check with the manager. Let me check with the manager.
Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Could you turn off the fan, please? Could you turn off the fan, please?
Sure, I will. Sure, I will.
Can we have a meeting tomorrow? Can we have a meeting tomorrow?
Yes, let's schedule it. Yes, let's schedule it.
Could I sit here? Could I sit here?
Yes, you could. Yes, you could.
Can you bring me a glass of water? Can you bring me a glass of water?
Sure, just a second. Sure, just a second.
Could we talk later? Could we talk later?
Yes, I'll call you. Yes, I'll call you.
Can I use your laptop? Can I use your laptop?
Sorry, I'm using it now. Sorry, I'm using it now.
Could he understand the lesson? Could he understand the lesson?
No, it was too hard. No, it was too hard.
Can you drive me home? Can you drive me home?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Could you tell me a joke? Could you tell me a joke?
Sure. Here's a funny one. Sure. Here's a funny one.
Can we have lunch together? Can we have lunch together?
Yes, let's do it. Yes, let's do it.
Could you turn on the lights? Could you turn on the lights?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
Can I leave now? Can I leave now?
No, wait for 5 more minutes. No, wait for 5 more minutes.
Could we visit the museum tomorrow? Could we visit the museum tomorrow?
Yes, if we have time. Yes, if we have time.
Can we go outside now? Can we go outside now?
No, it's too hot. No, it's too hot.
Could he finish the work on time? Could he finish the work on time?
No, he needed more time. No, he needed more time.
Can I have your opinion on this? Can I have your opinion on this?
Yes, I think it's great. Yes, I think it's great.
Could you wait here for a moment? Could you wait here for a moment?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Can you fix this for me? Can you fix this for me?
I'll try my best. I'll try my best.
Could we go for a walk now? Could we go for a walk now?
Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go.
Can I see your drawing? Can I see your drawing?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Could I get some rest now? Could I get some rest now?
Yes, you should. Yes, you should.
Can he dance? Can he dance?
Yes, he can dance very well. Yes, he can dance very well.
Could she visit us last summer? Could she visit us last summer?
No, she was too busy. No, she was too busy.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
No, I can't. No, I can't.
Could you lend me your book? Could you lend me your book?
Sorry, I need it now. Sorry, I need it now.
Can I open the window? Can I open the window?
Yes, please do. Yes, please do.
Could he ride a bicycle when he was young? Could he ride a bicycle when he was young?
Yes, he could. Yes, he could.
Can I call you later? Can I call you later?
Yes, no problem. Yes, no problem.
Could we change the meeting time? Could we change the meeting time?
Yes. When would you prefer? Yes. When would you prefer?
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook well. Yes, I can cook well.
Could you give me some advice? Could you give me some advice?
Sure, what's the problem? Sure, what's the problem?
Can I sit next to you? Can I sit next to you?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Could she solve the math problem? Could she solve the math problem?
No, it was too difficult. No, it was too difficult.
Can you tell me a story? Can you tell me a story?
Yes, I know a good one. Yes, I know a good one.
Could you explain it again? Could you explain it again?
Sure, I'll do that. Sure, I'll do that.
Can I watch TV now? Can I watch TV now?
No, finish your homework first. No, finish your homework first.
Could we try again? Could we try again?
Yes, let's give it another shot. Yes, let's give it another shot.
Can you come to my house? Can you come to my house?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Could he lift the heavy bag? Could he lift the heavy bag?
No, it was too heavy. No, it was too heavy.
Can I take this seat? Can I take this seat?
No, it's taken. No, it's taken.
Could we change the topic? Could we change the topic?
Yes, let's talk about something else. Yes, let's talk about something else.
Can I go with you? Can I go with you?
Sure, let's go together. Sure, let's go together.
Could you remind me later? Could you remind me later?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.